What's up internet, Makran this side. Hope everybody's doing fine. Today let's figure out a way to get rid of Bloatware from your Android handset. This method does not warrant root. Rooting is, I mean, kind of a little bit of cryptic process, and not everybody is comfortable with that. So for those of you who don't know what you mean by Bloatware, these are the applications that come pre-installed on your handheld device. Some of these applications you just cannot uninstall using a regular way. What we will be using today is a command line tool called Android Debug Bridge. You need to install that on your workstation. Once you install that, it becomes kind of easy to get rid of unnecessary applications. Today I am using ADB on Linux. The installation of Windows is very straightforward. You can Google it, or I will try to make a video on that. I already have ADB installed on my machine. You just need to pause the screen and see these steps. Just refresh your repos, check the version, and install the ADB. After that, you need to start ADB server. And what you need to do after starting ADB server, you need to go to settings and enable the developer options. Now, developer options is hidden by default. It kind of is useful for developers, so to speak. To enable developer options, you need to go to about phone and tap on your build number multiple times, or either baseband version. Once you start tapping on it, you will see a message like you are a developer. Now if you tap it multiple number of times, since I have already enabled developer options, that is why it is showing me I am already developer even after the one tap. So once you do that, go to additional settings, go to developer options, and here make sure the USB debugging is turned on. Once you turn on the USB debugging, you will be greeted with a message like this: allow debugging. That's fine. After that, make sure you connect your phone with your workstation using a USB cable. It can be a Type-C or micro USB. And after this, it will ask you whether you want to allow debugging, USB debugging from this particular computer. Make sure you check always allow box and say allow. So after that, you need to come back to the command line, and if you just run the command ADB devices, ADB, you will see the list of attached devices. And if you run this command ADB shell pm list packages, it will list all the packages that are installed on your handheld device. Now if you're saying this for the first time, this looks kind of confusing, but it's really not that confusing. Android has a way of naming their packages. For example, if you just grep for music, so the package of music, this one, this one is known by name com.oppo.music. Now if you long tap this, you cannot basically uninstall this, but if you just go to command line and enter ADB shell, you actually can connect to your handset like this, and after that copy this particular part of the name of application. Don't copy package colon, and paste it here, and the command would be pm uninstall -k -user 0 com and whatever the name of application is. Now once you do that, it will remove the app. As you can see, the app is no more there. So this way actually you can remove app. Now one more thing, if you notice here, I don't have a Facebook install on this handset, right? I don't trust Facebook because their app do a lot of tracking. But if I just grep for list of packages, you will still see I have 4 Facebook packages in the form of service etc running on this handset. So basically you just need to make a list of all these applications, save them in a text file somewhere like this, right? And then decide what all packages you want to remove. Once you do that, your phone kind of become light on resources. All these apps get removed, but make sure that you do not remove unnecessarily applications, which are needed by phone, right? For example, if you just give for Bluetooth, you need not to remove this app com.android.bluetooth, otherwise your phone's Bluetooth functionality would get hampered, and the only way to recover from it to reset your phone. And once you reset your phone, you are back to square one, with all the Bloatware back on your device. So be careful. Is a simple trick. What you can do is just search with this term Bloatware list Realme or Bloatware list MIUI. So if you search with these terms, you will find a lot of resources on internet which kind of says which are really useful app and which are not. Again, make a list, decide what you want to remove, and start executing it from the command line. I hope this has been informative. If you have any comments, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.